Hey guys, assalamu alaikum, it's Jenna G, that's me, the Hijabi from TNT. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be using leftover chicken to make these delicious stuffed pasta shells. But before we start though, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification button as well so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. And also be sure to comment below and use the hashtag shoutout if you do want to get a shoutout in my next video. And of course stay tuned to the end of this video to see who's going to get a shoutout in this video. Alright, so let's just make some stuffed pasta shells now. Now this dish is one of those that can be done using any leftover meat or seafood that you have. I'm going to be using these jumbo pasta shells and some already used ingredients like the barbecue sauce I had in the fridge, some cabbage already cut as you can see, a piece of sweet pepper that I found in the fridge. I'm going to be using some cheese and I'm adding some onions and pimento to these as well. But because the chicken is already seasoned and because it was already cooked before, we won't need to add any more seasonings. The first thing I'm going to do is just put the pasta shells to boil according to the package instructions, and I'm going to be adding salt to the water. Now while the water is boiling and the pasta shells are cooking, I'm going to be preparing the filling. So using my hands, I'm just going to remove the meat from the bone of the cooked chicken and I'm going to add it to the food processor along with the vegetables. Now you can use any vegetables you have lying around in the house. Feel free to experiment and go crazy with it. Now after pulsing for a few times, this is what it's going to look like. And once the shells are finished boiling and have been properly drained, I'm going to just stuff them with the fillings and lay them out onto a greased baking dish. Now once you have all of that stuffed, I'm going to be covering it with barbecue sauce, but you can also use tomato paste or spaghetti sauce for this step as well. If you have homemade barbecue sauce, any sauce that you want, you can top it with. And once all of the shells are properly covered, I'm going to add the grated cheese, and you can feel free to add as much as you like and use any cheese. Mozzarella cheese would be perfect for this, but I don't have, so I'm just going to be using the cheddar cheese. And now it's just time to pop these into the oven, 350 degrees, until the cheese is nicely melted. And after a few minutes, this is what you've got. Now these can be enjoyed alone or with a side of a salad for lunch or dinner, and it takes no time at all to make and it's so easy to prepare. I know you would love it, so I hope that you do give it a try. This is one of those dishes where you use leftover food. I don't like the idea of wasting food, so sometimes, you know, using leftover food to create something different or nice for the next day is absolutely amazing, and this is just one of the dishes that you can prepare. So I do hope that you enjoyed this short video, and if you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share it with all your friends and your family. And you know, before I go, I gotta do some shout outs. So the first shout out I'm gonna do goes to Princess Piquito. The second shout out goes to Kyle Budu. Thank you guys so much for watching my last video, and thank you to everyone as always for the support thus far. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video again. Don't forget to share with your friends and your family, and stay tuned to my next video.